The greenhouse is still trucking along. A little muddy. I'm very proud of my corn. The rain has been doing wonders for the garden outside. The corn is about 4 feet tall at its highest. Got some beans coming in because I had to keep re-sowing here, but all of that's starting to come up. I don't see any beans on the actual beans, but I'm thinking of bringing my pepper plants into the greenhouse because they just really aren't doing anything out here, and I don't know why. Did I catch what's been trying to eat my stuff? Yes, I did. So I had something over here trying to eat my kohlrabi. Took care of that. We'll get rid of that. Got stuff in my squash here. Got another zucchini trying to grow. Another male flower has bloomed. And some flowers blooming on my tomatoes here. I don't think I have any baby tomatoes yet on this one. This one has some tomatoes growing down there, back there. It's been flowering up pretty regularly. Some more back there. All my peas and beans are all dry. I don't know what these were. I don't know if these were a real thing. Do have carrots down here. I'm probably going to reseed. I let my granddaughter pick some while they were here visiting. So they're pretty decent size. Let's see. This one back here. I say decent size. They were good size for her. So I'm going to let them keep going. See, this is what it looks like green. I don't know that this is like a real... Somebody referred to it as possibly loco weed. I don't know. I don't know. Been getting lots of blooms here. I don't remember what this was though, but I don't see any fruit starting anywhere. Something chewed on something. There's another big bloom. My Swiss chard is looking good. Other pepper plant, just don't know what to do with it. This tomato plant right here is putting off some tomatoes. They're all green though, but this is the bush Goliath. So I'm hoping I get something on here that I can make a tomato sandwich with. Just one tomato sandwich will be fine. I did crush up some Tums to put out with all of my tomato plants, and I use fertilizer every 2 weeks to feed my plants. But the monsoon rains have been doing great for my garden. I don't know what the heck's eating this. Let's see if we can figure it out, because there's definitely bugs coming over here. I don't see any bugs. What I'm probably going to do is move all of my peppers back into the greenhouse. I'll put diatomaceous earth around all of the soil on here and dust the plants to make sure I'm not bringing bugs into the greenhouse. And then I'm just going to grow them in the greenhouse. I think that's going to be my plan. I hope your gardens are doing well. It would have been nice to have some peppers by now. I just haven't had any. Love how well my zucchini plants are growing though. Those are my pride. Still got my onions over here. They blew over. They blew over in one of our windstorms, but they're still growing, so I'm just letting them grow. My okra is still not doing the best it can. It's not dead. And then I planted some pumpkins over here. I'm assuming that's what that green plant is, but I'm not positive. I'll have to see. Oh, and I didn't show you. I have beautiful purple flowers on my eggplant that's under here. Let me get the leaves out of the way. I don't see any fruit. I'm assuming the fruit comes from the flowers, just like in other things. I've never grown eggplants before, so I'm not positive. Like, is that one right here? I don't know. But I'm excited about it. All right, let me go dispose of this rat, this mouse that I caught. A beautiful morning today. See the shade cloth that we added to the top of the greenhouse there.